Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Block Tech Tips. And of course guys, here as you can see, I have this device which is a TP-Link, and this is actually a Wi-Fi range extender. And this version is the TL-WA855RE. And this is a 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi range extender. And as you can see here, the box shows you the information. It's compatible with any Wi-Fi router, and that's quite handy in case you have an existing setup at home that's provided by your ISP or your internet service provider. If you look at the box here, they give a good overview of the product. It's quite nice. It comes with two antennas, and of course there's cool ventilation holes and all of that on it. You can see, so it says stable Wi-Fi extension, and it says easy setup. It has the tether feature, access point mode, and all of that. Now if you look up here at the top of the box, it says a 2-year warranty. At the side here, it runs you through the product. It says it has a wall plug-in design for easy installation. Here's a external antenna. As you can see, easy setup, intelligent signal indicator, and I like that. It shows you two modes for the signal indicator. For a strong signal, you have a blue LED, and of course if it's weak or too far away from the source, it will show a red LED. There's the Ethernet port to connect a wired device for a strong performance, meaning you can actually connect a wired device to this for a even stronger protection. And it has Wps Setup, meaning if you haven't seen that, I have a video, I'll link that to that on screen. And the WPS Setup basically allows for a one push setup. On the back here, it shows you a house or a general layout, and it shows you how it can extend the range of your Wi-Fi network. Great for places where in some areas of the house you do not have Wi-Fi because it's too far away from the router. And of course guys, you can look around here. It shows you some of the package contents. It says a quick installation guide, a range extender, and it gives you the information. There's fast Ethernet port, access control, there's coverage control, there's even an app guys that you can download, and it gives you multiple languages, and it has intelligent signal indicator. I have not opened this up already. You can actually see the plastic on this. I'm going to start by opening it up right now. Let's get a key, and then I'm just going to make a small incision. Okay, there you go. And let's go straight into the unboxing. I'm going to peel this all off. Alright, and you can see the packaging much clearer without that reflective surface. Then I'm just going to go ahead and pop open the box section here. Alright, fun fact guys, it's actually better to open from the base, as I've just realized. Alright, the top is a lot harder. And here we go. So I'm just going to slide this out, and there you go. And I like the recycled packaging because we have done a lot of these unboxings. It's great to know when a company is environmentally friendly. As you can see, the cardboard looks like recycled cardboard. And here we have the quick installation guide, and this is just to get you up as fast as possible. You will definitely want to read this to get everything working. So I'm going to put that aside as well. Guys who do not like manuals, still it's a good idea to keep that around just in case. So here we go, and I don't think anything else is inside of the box. It's a very small package. You can get this on Amazon, and there you go. Quite nice packaging, great for transporting over long distances without actually harming the product. And believe it or not guys, this is the Wi-Fi range extender. It's quite small, just fits the palm of my hand. You'll notice the two antenna on each side. There's a nice glossy white finish. You have the Ethernet port. There's a reset port at the base right here, and then back right here guys, you have the plug-in section. I'll have to blur out sections of this as I'm not sure if any personal information is there. Better to be safe than sorry. On the top here guys, you have the both signal and power indicator, and there's the WPS key, and that's for easy setup, and that's it basically. So that is the product in overview. Next, I'll try to test this out. I'll try setting it up and see how it performs. Alright guys, so you may want to stick around a bit for that. Okay guys, so setup was dead easy. As you can see here, this would be the router, but of course you'll notice the LEDs here. I have it on an extension just to make sure that you can see what I'm saying while manipulating the device. Now all buttons are on a solid color. You can notice the signal plus the power indicator and the WPS key, and setup was easy, as I said. Let me just give you a run through. All you had to do was, as seen here, just go ahead and power on the device. Wait until it's powered on with a solid power indicator. Second, they have 3 options to set up. You don't have to do the much complicated version. I did the simple setup. I simply press the WPS button on the router as seen here, and then next what I did was to just simply press the WPS key as seen right here, and once I did that, I just waited until the signal became a solid color as well. I kept it very close range to the router, and of course it basically cloned the network, and of course it's next I'll just relocate, and it's working quite fine now. My device is able to connect to my network. As you can see here, guys, I'm now connected to the internet and it's working and browsing fine. The thing is, guys, it will give the name of the same network, meaning that you will be able to just connect to the strongest one, as your devices tend to just connect to the strongest network it can actually find. So just give me a second here. I'm just going to show you what I mean. Alright guys, so just to show you everything is on the up and up. Don't worry, it's kind of hard to tell when you have 2 Wi-Fis of the same name. As I said before, your device will just choose the stronger of the 2 and always connect to that. Now you're seeing right now I'm connected to the one that's on the desk, which is the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. To prove that, let me just check this out for me, guys. So once I go in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to long press, and as you can see here, I'm connected to this network. I'm connected to this network here, which is given this long name. Alright, so next thing I'll do, guys, is to prove to you that there are actually 2 of this network that was cloned with the setup. Now I have a Wi-Fi analyzer app. Here it goes. It's called Wi-Fi Analyzer, as given the name there. So just give a second right here, and as you can see, guys, it shows right now Wi-Fi Analyzer is actually picking up the networks. And look, as you can see, the blue network here that says flow Wi-Fi. Notice there is a red and there is a blue. The blue is actually my ISP's router, and of course the red is the one on the desk here, since I'm like very close to it. And as you can see here, it's just showing you that this connection is very strong. So this one is actually a clone of this one, and this proves that the range extender is actually working quite fine. Next, I'll just unplug this and place it between the dead spot and a good area, so I can actually use the Wi-Fi or extend it through the house. So that is it basically, guys. I must say I'm very impressed with the TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. It works flawlessly and I would highly recommend it. You can pick this up for about $20 plus. It's quite cheap, affordable, and effective. Alright guys, we got it from Block Tech Tips. So showing you another set of cool tips on how to actually operate this device here, which is the TP-Link